Good afternoon, guys, or good evening. This is Romel again from Ohana Farm. Finally, my chicken coop is all done. So I got one, two, three, four, five different compartments here for different breeds. But they're gonna get all mixed up anyway. But I guess one for Bengala and the other one's for the turkey, and then the rest would be for all the Rhode Island Red and black astrolorbs and deca browns. But anyway, so happy. These are all done. Well, not all done, but tomorrow I'm going to be doing some um, for the nest. The guy is gonna make it for me, and then I'll put him on in there. Um, so it's time to breed and multiply. Yes, there they are. I got the native chicken right there, right, oh, right there. That's the native chicken. This one is the Rhode Island Red. So is this. So is that one. That little white thing right there. That's a turkey. Bengala. There's a couple of Bengalas there. Black astrolorps and deca browns. And there they are. And here's another one here. They're very, very friendly. I can pick them up just like that. And they're getting pretty heavy. That one I picked up, it's almost probably 2 kilos already. Um, the rooster there, the Rhode Island Red Rooster, probably somewhere around 4 kilos right now. Um, this one, that one, is still young. That's about maybe going to 3 months old. But look how big it is. Really cool. Really cool. All right, guys. Again, thanks again for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet at Ohana Farm, please subscribe and help the small YouTuber here. All right. Well, thank you. Have a great night.